Good morning. It's been snowing, so I think I gotta wear these boots. First snow of the year. Holy shit, guys. It's a fucking winter wonderland out here. Oh, it's beautiful. If you live in northwestern Ontario, then you know how truly beautiful it can be when it first snows. Oh, it's gorgeous. Let's see if I can adjust the light. Can you see how pretty it looks? No? Let's see. Maybe this one? This one? No? Fucking goddammit. Oh, it's beautiful. Now the question is, how much fucking snow is in the run? We did the insulated tarp yesterday. I was going to record it, but my husband doesn't want to be on camera, and I respect his wishes, so I did not record it. And it was a nightmare, honestly. So, oh, look at that. The sand is a little bit wet in the front, right there. A lot of my girls have signs of Rhineck, and I can't really get it to go away. I'll move this. Did you find snow? Oh, you found snow off my boot? Oh, sorry, baby. Oh, I love my rainbow girl. Yeah, so the insulated tarp worked out pretty good. We still got to put a tarp over this and clear tarps over these spots. That way they still get sun, but it's nice and warm. Because it can get to about minus 55 Celsius here where we live, so we want them to be able to walk around. Okay, turn my... Wonder if you can... I really wish that you guys could see it. It's beautiful out. And it's still snowing. Oh, I love the first snow. The first snow of the year. Isn't it just magical? I still haven't gotten dressed for the day yet either. I just checked on the yogurt and it's pretty close to the consistency I want, but I'm gonna leave it for a little bit longer and then put it in the fridge. Which that won't hurt it anyway, so. Okay. I need to get dressed and get some other things done. Okay. A lunch and an avocado. That's what he takes every day. He used to take he used to take things like a BLT and everything in the morning, but he likes to fast in the morning now, so that's what he takes. Do I have to clean off this truck? No, I choose to, before anyone asks. Like the snow. Can you see how beautiful it is? Oh, isn't it beautiful? They're like, what is this fucking shit? Yes, girls, I got a shovel away for you still. They're like, we don't know, man. We don't know about this shit. Okay, the Dutch oven is in there. We're going to start the oven because I have a sourdough loaf to bake. So once that's hot enough, we can put that in there. And for now, we're going to make a coffee and we're going to call my mom. What do you guys think? I was thinking, because I have whipped cream in the fridge, of topping my coffee up with whipped cream when it's done. My like latte. I might try it. I don't know yet. So I have a bunch of things to do today. I have that sourdough loaf to bake. I have to do pumpkin pie, brownies. I might be able to get away with doing brownies tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. I have to vacuum the whole house. I gotta tidy it because we have friends coming over tomorrow and I want to make sure the house is tidy. I'm not touching Ruth's foot today. I will tomorrow morning, just so that gives the Prid time. I should research some more things that I can put inside the run for them because that's a long time for them to be in the run when it's winter. Like, I'll still shovel pathways and they'll probably still walk outside. But when it's a snowstorm or something, they're not going to want it. They'll want to stay in the run and they need a lot of things to entertain them. So I have to do some research on that kind of thing. And if you happen to be an owner of chickens and you have ideas, let me know. I have roosting bars up everywhere, but I would like to try some different things as well. I don't know how well this is going to work out, guys. That's probably good enough. I was kind of scared if I did too much, it would like ruin my latte. Because let's face it, it's not store-bought, right?